Standish Court, weekly construction update, and we've got the scoop. The sun was shining for us again this week at Standish Court, and the team made some big strides. First up, our dryliners have been hard at work installing internal drylining throughout the building. Meanwhile, our second team tackled the metal framework for the internal walls, pushing ahead with precision and speed. Electrical works? You bet. Cabling is now being installed across all apartments and communal areas. And on the top floor, the floor is fully boarded and work on the steel framework is ongoing. Exciting news on the side extension too, it's near full height now. Another milestone reached. Gemma welcomed and showed around some visiting clients this week, giving them a first-hand look at the progress and future vision of Standish Court. There's plenty happening on site, so keep your eyes peeled for next week's update. Catch you then.